Wilhelma invited to group. Cough now. Cough now.
If you're a rogue, then you're at entrance, you should be running up.
Rogues are running right
Cough now.
whenever you get into Ares.
Cough
pit.
now.
You have a bunch of rogues still at entrance.
Group 6 done.
Group 8 done.
Group 1's about to be done.
Group 9 done.
Cough now. Wilhelma fizzles.
Flurry's still at Vulak.
Group 1 done.
Group 2's done.
Cough
GA
now.
1 and 2 up.
Cough now.
Yes.
3 should be done.
I can sneak into Vulak at any time for engage.
We can go whenever dip. As long
Cough
as the
now.
flurry's in the position.
It's in the right
Flurry's still
spot.
in the position. I can
Storm
engage
Shadow
now.
engage now. Storm Shadow engage now.
Yeah,
Vulak
Flurry is
air
moving.
engages Storm
It's
Shadow.
moving on.
Bring the flurry in if you can.
I'm going to try
GAs
to
go.
tag the Flurry.
No,
Mage is
What
good.
did DA I did not get
I
caught.
can't bring the Flurry. Some
bump
the
one
bump
go.
after me has to go. Crank and you have to go.
You
I
guys
have,
go now.
I'm pretty sure I have the flurry.
Wilhelma
Flurry's
interrupted.
going in. You're good.
We're staying
Cough
back
now.
a little bit.
I have to go with the train out.
Don't go ahead of Nagusta. Don't go ahead of Nagusta.
Keep communicating, bumpers.
Wilhelma
not-
interrupted.
That corner.
Oh,
Wilhelma
next bump go.
interrupted.
Bump 3. Me hook.
Train's going to
You have a
Vulak.
train going to Vulak. You have a train going to
It
Vulak.
is- it is okay, just wait.
Lulu go. Lulu bumping.
Do not peek this corner.
5 seconds. Basics next.
If you're not a DA class, go. Do not peek the corner.
Go to the cubbies now.
Wizards, you're picking up with the null.
3 seconds bump left. Next bump
Squeak go. Squeak go.
How many bumps left? How many bumps left?
One more after squeak.
Mijas
Who
is
can
here
follow
for
up?
bump.
Okay, yes, you follow the last one.
Yes, sir.
2
Starting
seconds.
at 1 second.
Nicholas
5 seconds on
One
DA.
cleric from group 6
did not get off.
Eric's down, and I got
Noodles is
summoned and
down.
killed.
DA
Somebody pick
off.
up Six.
Bump it.
Pick up
Nicholas is going now.
Six cut going.
It's going out.
Mijas is bumping.
I can
bump
after me if we need
11.
Heels are
Nimble
landing on
down in
Atma.
5, 4,
Where's the flurry?
3,
No more bumps.
2,
I got it.
The Flurry got trained out. We're going to need a monk to be dealing with that.
DA off.
I'm logging on.
Fine.
Sir.
Keep 17. Keep the chain going.
2. Go
Hunt is running to pump.
2.
Oh, calm down.
I actually.
Guards are turning. It's fine.
What was your number?
Atma's dead.
Bump
Need a
it.
backup warrior?
Roll a chain on snowball.
Bump it, please.
Rogue can bump. Yeah, what Rogue can bump?
Needs to be bumped. We can't untank it.
2 seconds.
Landing on
on
snowball.
DA
Snowball.
off.
Snowball picking it up.
Watch Snowball with the Reaper.
Lando's heels.
Guards are in trips.
There's going to be big bumps, guys. Big gaps. Big gap
Gap now.
right now.
Shield of lava.
Just warp
Neck
plus
a
one.
Reaper.
5 seconds on DA.
Another gap.
Another guy.
Have
Gap
we got
over.
debuffs yet?
Please go in order. Started at 1.
Start debuffs.
In order.
Just
DA
calm the
off.
chain down. Trust the person in front of you.
You guys gotta go.
One's going.
Gap now for